Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 13, and the chapter name is Our Neighborhood. So about the neighborhood we have learned in previous class also. So today we will see that in this chapter that what is there. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework. Then you can complete your project work also. You can complete the homework which you received on online classes, because once the school will open, I just want all the homework. I have all the records, I have written everything, that which date I have given the subject. So it's better that you have a lots of time, then use the time. Please complete all the homework in this time till chapter 12, and then again today it's a short chapter. If it will finish to chapter 13, then again we will go ahead for the next chapter. So it's a time so that you can complete all the homework. I hope you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Please don't go outside, don't interact with other persons, because it's a very serious it's a very serious virus, COVID-19. It's just spreading from one to another person. So for our protecting, because of this virus we can die also. For the protections, we should not talk with the stranger, to the person, to the other persons. We should always inside home. And please don't go outside. You can enjoy the online classes, you can eat the healthy foods, and whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly, so that the germs will not enter in your body, and you will free from the COVID-19. I hope that you have purchased your book. If you don't, then please purchase it. And I'm just going to read the chapter line by line, and then after I'm going to explain you. So please just be there, and I'm reading, you also read with me. So please kindly borrow the book as soon as possible, and you will not get any problem. And once on the online class will over, again you can go through the chapter and you can read again. And please, the homework, if you don't know, then please go through the website and please check your homework. So let's start the chapter. So please be careful, listen carefully. Farida and Rani are good friends. So here we are talking about the two girls. Two girls are best friends, like a good friends. They go to school together and play together after school. So both girls are what? They are a good friends. They go to school together and they play together after the school. Their parents also meet each other often. In fact, their parents also interact with their persons, each other. So they always celebrate festivals together. So that's why they always celebrate the festivals. Like suppose in your classrooms, maybe you have a best friend and you are enjoying the time with your best friends. You are going school together, you are playing together. In fact, your parents is also meeting each other. So in fact, you celebrate the festivals together also. So Farida's house is near to Rani's house. Like Farida's house is there, then Rani's house is there. So it is next to the Rani's house. So you can see the Farida house is there, and then next to the Rani's house. So thus Farida and Rani are not just friends, they are also neighbors. Exactly. Farida and Rani, they are not just only friends, they are friends as well as they are neighbors. Now think about your own house, and you can think that where is your house, and there are several houses near your house, maybe 2-3 houses or many houses are there near your house. Then the people living in those houses, the people who lived in that areas where you lived, and that all houses which is near your house, so they all are your neighbors. The area near your house is your neighborhood. Then the area which is near your house, it is your neighborhood. Now, neighbors helps each other. Exactly. Like neighbors is always there and always present to help if we want the help from the other persons. So neighbor is what they always help each other and share the things. Like suppose if one time's meal is there, then we are exchanging the meals from in our neighborhoods. So what, like all the others neighbor is also, they just help each other and they also shares the things. The children in the neighborhood play together and have lots of fun. So the children who lived near the house and neighborhood, they play together in a ground, in a big ground. They have a lots of fun together. Sometimes they go on holiday together, and sometimes they go holiday also with the neighbors, and they just enjoy a lots of time with their neighbors. Now, what is neighborhood? So it's the first topic that we will see, that what is neighborhood. So a neighborhood is part of a city, town or village. Neighborhood is what? It is the part of the cities, town or village. Most neighborhoods have a market, a park, places of worship and a school. So most of the neighborhoods, they lived and they have a market in their house is there, then behind the markets is there, so the market is their neighbor, then parks is also a neighborhoods, then places of worship is also a neighborhood, and a school also. So bigger neighborhoods may also have a hospital. So if big neighborhood is there, then maybe they have a hospitals, cinema hall, shopping mall where we can go and we can buy the things that which we need. Everything is present there and we can go and we can buy it from there. A post office, a police station and banks. So these all is also our neighborhood. If we want to take help, then we can take from these neighborhoods, and they also helped us, and we need, if any daily use of things, then we can go and we can buy from there. These neighborhood services are very useful for the people living there. Now these neighborhood services like the hospitals, cinema halls, then shopping malls, then a post. So these all, they are very useful. These services are very useful for what? For the people they living there, because their basic needs, the basic daily needs, if they want, then they can go from there and they can buy. So these all very useful for the people who living there. Next, who are your neighbors? One question is there, that who are your neighbors? Do you celebrate any festivals together? Then if in my words I say that yes, my neighbors are, yes, I have a neighbors, and yes, I can celebrate festivals together. So it's orally, and please you can also learn orally. Now helping one another. If neighbors is there, then we are always there to help each other. So Farida and Rani love watering the plant in the neighborhood garden. So both are friends, that both are a good friend. In fact, they both are neighbors also. So they loved that they are just going to give the water to the plants in the neighborhood garden. When the Rani's mother was sick, then Farida's mother helped Rani to take care of her. So if the Rani's mother was sick, then Farida's helped Rani to take care of her. Or when the Farida's mother was sick, then the Rani's mother they just helped of her. So the neighbor is what? They just are there to help each other when we need help of someone. So like if suppose any relatives are there, if they live very far away from us, and if we need suddenly some things helps, then we can't call our relatives and we can't tell just please come back, we need your help. Maybe it will take some time, and maybe for that time that we will, if suppose that we will die also. So on that time the neighbors are the first persons who are there to help us in every situation. So Farida and Rani made a lovely card for Rani's mother. Why? Because Farida's mother had just take care of Rani's. That's why the Farida and Rani both they just made a lovely greeting cards for the Rani's mother to be get well soon, because she was sick. That's why to just encourage that, yes, so that she just gave the greeting cards, which made her very happy. After she saw the greeting card, then she just become very happy. Are they good neighbors to have? Aren't they good neighbors to have? Yes, one question is there. Is they good neighbors? Then yes, exactly, they are a good neighbors. Now the next topic, the next line we will see in the next videos, lecture number 2. So please guys, watch the lecture number 2. Thank you and have a nice day.